Have you ever felt lost on your wellness journey? The mirror reflects your hopes, but also your struggles. Every day you dream of feeling confident again, but life's demands make it so hard to focus on you. You try, you stumble, you get back up. Sometimes it feels like no one understands your effort, but deep down you know you deserve happiness. You want to feel proud, strong, and healthy. Imagine a gentle hand guiding you forward. Introducing Mitolyn, your partner in transformation. Middlin isn't just a supplement, it's a promise. A promise crafted for people who never give up. Its modern, eye-catching design inspires confidence. The proprietary formula targets weight loss effectively. It's made for health-conscious souls like you. Each capsule is a step closer to your dreams. No shortcuts, just honest support for your journey. Middlin helps you rediscover your best self. Because every small victory deserves celebration. And every setback deserves compassion, not judgment. When you choose Middlin, you choose self-love. You choose to invest in your well-being. You choose to believe in new beginnings. Middlin's official website is your trusted source. Here, authenticity and quality are always guaranteed. No fakes, no worries, just genuine Middlin products. Brand loyalists know, trust starts with the source. Online shoppers enjoy a seamless, secure experience. Deal seekers unlock exclusive offers and updates. The official website brings you closer to the brand. You're not just buying a product, you're joining a family. A family that cheers for every milestone you reach. A family that understands your unique journey. Middlin is more than a name, it's a movement. A movement dedicated to real, lasting change. Every order supports your commitment to yourself. Every visit brings new offers and helpful updates. You'll never feel alone with Middlin by your side. Let hope blossom again in your heart. Let strength and confidence grow with each day. Mitolyn is here to lift you up, to remind you you are worthy of joy. You are worthy of feeling good in your skin. You are worthy of a fresh start. Let Middlin be your daily affirmation. Let it be the boost you need. Your story matters. Your dreams matter. Middlin believes in you every single day. Take the first step toward a healthier you. Visit the official Middlin website today. Unlock exclusive deals, updates, and authentic products. Join a community that celebrates your progress. Choose trust. Choose support. Choose Middlin because you deserve to feel your very best. Start your journey now. Middlin is waiting for you. Your new chapter begins with just one click.